Hey, happy Wins Wednesday. Today I wanted to talk about our trade show workshop, which we just launched. We're a little late in getting this out there because we had to make some changes to it. There's been a lot happening in the world of events in the last couple of years. We've had a trade show checklist for the longest time on our website, and it's been one of our more popular downloads, and we actually just removed that because it is so far out of date. Given everything that happened last year with the pandemic and everything else. So we've completely revamped everything, and we've put this together as a course that is free for people in our marketing lab and cheap for everyone else if you consider the amount of time that it's going to save you. The things that are included in that are basically what to do 90 days before the trade show, 60 days before the trade show, 30 days before the trade show, things that you can and should be doing with some pretty detailed instructions and how-tos and tutorials and outlines of how to do it, together with the follow-up after the trade show in terms of what to send, what to say when you pick up the phone to do your follow-ups and things like that. A lot of people don't do the follow-up because they just don't know what to say. So this solves a lot of those problems that people have with trade shows and should give you some pretty good advice about how to make those work better. And this is really timely because the call for speakers for the NBAA event in Las Vegas in October is May 31st. And I think everybody should submit a proposal for those call for speakers. Everybody who's listening to our podcasts and who is part of our group certainly should, because it's a great opportunity to showcase your expertise and to talk about your topic. And you get 25 or 55 minutes, depending on how the format of the show goes. You can select a time slot, that's the right length and things like that. And you can present usually a question that everybody wants answered, and your way of going about getting to an answer to that. And there's a lot of things that you could do a really nice tutorial for and put together some slides with charts and graphs and demos and other things like that. This is not a sales pitch. This is just an opportunity to speak about your topic and to help people out so that they can kind of get to know you, get to know your style and other things like that. So it's a really big benefit for you. Every time we do an educational session at NBAA or Aviation Pros or any of the other events, MRO Americas or anything else, we always end up having some great conversations after the event, with people who either come up to us after the event while we're picking up our stuff and getting ready to leave, or even after the event, they'll pick up the phone and call us and say, we saw your presentation and we thought it was really interesting. Can you help us with this problem? So it's a really great way to position yourself as a thought leader in your field and to get yourself out there. So hopefully you will submit a call for speakers. If you need any help putting your topic together or putting your outline together or putting that proposal together, let me know. And if you're one of our Marketing Lab members, of course, this is one of the topics we can talk about in your office hours. So I look forward to seeing a lot of our members on the agenda as speakers at the next NBAA. And I hope you enjoy the workshop. there's anything that you think should be added to that, or if you have any questions about it. We'll talk to you soon.